Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here the compound is given with alkene, alkyne and alkane. The side chains also there. You are using the Lindlar Catalyst. You have to find what will be the final product. Here you should know what is Lindlar Catalyst. Lindlar Catalyst is palladium barium sulfate, which is normally reduced the alkyne triple bond, not the double bond. So it's specific for triple bond. So catalyst reduce. The important thing is the catalyst reduce the triple bond to cis form, not the trans form. So the final product is there. If you write with stereochemistry, it's a chiral compound. You might wonder both double bonds are same. In what way it will be different? It will differ in the stereochemistry, cis and trans. Both should be considered as individual group and different groups. So 4 different attachments in the same carbon should be treated as the chiral carbon. So our answer is chiral there. The concept you have to learn here is Lindlar Catalyst reduce the triple bond to double bond in the cis fashion, and double bond in cis and trans considered as the different identity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.